This quick video is just to share something cool from a project I was recently involved with for work. For this project, we have a tower foundation with 9 high-strength, 1.75" diameter anchor rods, grouted about 25 feet into the sandstone beneath the site. These anchor rods are post-tensioned to 140 tons, which helps keep the tower from overturning due to a strong lateral load. To do this, the installers use a hollow cylinder hydraulic ram to stretch the anchor rods. In this case, the ram is calibrated such that 7,000 psi on the gauge develops the required tension. As you can see, the process goes pretty quick, certainly a lot quicker than I thought it would on the outset. The technician tightens the nut once the tension is met, and the ram is eased off. You can also see how much the rod stretched due to the tension load, about 3/4 of an inch. Anyway, this is a bit of a departure from my regular content, but I thought it worth sharing. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.